Today, I'm going to be cleaning my pool filter. I got the Cyclone pool filter cleaner sent to me to make a video about. You just hook it up to your garden hose and then you spray out your pool filters. You can see the difference there in the area I sprayed, how that's starting to turn white, and then down there still all green. So that sprayer just takes the color right off of there, gets the algae right out of there. To get started, you concentrate your spray on the right hand side of the pool filter and then that'll get it spinning. And then once you get it going, you just work your way down to get all the stuff out of your pool filters. And then once you get all the way down to the bottom, then you can work your way back up to the top, and you want to change directions so that you can clean the other side of the slats out. So once you change directions and you get it spinning the other way, you can see how much stuff is still in there. So then you just work your way back down and then look at all that. Look at all that stuff you're getting out of there. So yeah, you just want to spin it in both directions to make sure you get it really clean. And then to stop it, you just kind of aim it towards the middle and that slows down the spin there. You can see the difference in the filters here. How white this one is after spraying it compared to how green these are here. Those are all still really green. And this one's nice and white. And here's what the handle looks like there. So it's got this nice long sprayer on here. You can kind of see the logo there. It says, used to say Cyclone on there, but it's the pool Cyclone. And then it's got a nice tip on the end there so you can get the right kind of angle to clean in between the filters. Here's how it looks. It's a nice pole there, just a nice pole with a nice tripod base. And then it's got a angled piece of plastic down at the bottom for the base for the cylinder to fit on, for the pool filter to fit on there, for the hole in the pool filter. Just rests right on there. You can see how green all that water is there. That was all the stuff that came out of the pool filters, all that green algae. It's all in the pavers here. You see all that green algae down there. But yeah, there we go. Nice clean pool filters. And it only took a few minutes with the pool Cyclone here. You just put your pool filter on there, put this on top, and you're ready to go.